Welcome back, everyone. Apple has finally released the iPhone 13 Pro and we finally got it on our hands, so let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. And this is probably going to be my new main phone that I'm going to use as an everyday device, which is pretty interesting. So no plastic on the outside. I was not a fan of the plastic, to be honest, so I am kind of glad they switched over to this kind of pull tab because I've always found the plastic to be very annoying. Once we have those plastic tabs taken off, we can go and flip it up to the top, and we could go and pull this top open just like so, and you will see we have the iPhone 12 Pro in this, or 13 Pro, in this new color. Now, funny enough, I should have gotten them in different colors because I still have them in all the same exact colors, the blue one. Now, taking it open, you can see that blue color definitely looks a lot more different blue than the 12 mini or 13 mini. So here we have a 13 mini, and I don't know why there's so many different colors for these. I mean, I think these are the same colors. Now flipping this thing over to the front, you can see we have that standard panel, and we can go and flip this thing open, and you can see we have the iPhone 13 Pro right in front of us. So let's go ahead and power this bad boy on, and you should see that the Apple logo will go and power on. And I'll go ahead and move this over to the side a little bit. We'll go ahead and power this up a little bit, and you can see we have the lightning cable as always, USB Type-C to lightning. So pretty cool fan of that. I like that a lot. I don't have a problem with that at all. And we also have the stickers and everything inside, nothing below it. So it's just literally the SIM card eject tool and the Apple sticker on the back. So I think that's cool. I have no problem with it. And that's really pretty much it. I mean, they really removed pretty much everything from it. I mean, next thing they're going to remove this, the lightning cable, and then that's pretty much it. Now, looking at the phone right here, you can see that the notch does look a little bit thinner than before, which I'm kind of a fan of. I do have an iPhone 12 right here, and you can definitely tell there is a difference in terms of the notch. Now I will go ahead and set this up via this iPhone, so it's going to make it a little bit more convenient. So we can go like this, and this will go ahead and charge up there and go ahead and sync over. Now looking around the 13 Pro, you can see, in my opinion, it is almost identically the same thing as the other iPhone 12 Pro. So if you thought the 11 Pro wasn't that crazy big of a difference to the 12 Pro, this is pretty much almost the same exact thing. Now, I don't know why this happened, so we can go and click try again and see if anything happens. If not, then I'll just do it manually. But you can see on the back, we do have this frosted glass back still. Feels pretty much the same thing as the previous iPhone. And like I mentioned, I'm going to be using this pretty much as my main device. So it's going to be interesting how that goes. Now we have these massive camera sensors. I mean, these things are crazy big, and I'm curious to see how good of sensors those things are. And just a side button on the side of the iPhone there. But that's really pretty much it. That is essentially this iPhone, I'm going to go ahead and do a bunch of comparisons and reviews and all that stuff, so keep a look down on the channel so you guys don't miss those, but that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.